this vertical garden utility, you require rope, acrylic paint, varnish, screwdriver, scissor, measurement tape, brushes, jute, cutter, marker and 2 container, plastic container. It should be of similar type. If you have 3, it's okay. So in the next step, we are painting this with the black acrylic color. I am directly showing you the result. So see you then. In this step, we need to mark all the 4 corners where we require to make hole with the help of screwdriver which is heated on the gas flame. So like this, we are making a hole. Please be careful during this step because you may get injured. If you don't want to do this, you can have drilling machines option which you can use to make a hole. After painting it with complete black color, the look will be like this. And now we are giving first coat of aqua blue color to this tray. You need to give at least 2 coatings of this color in order to make it look better. Now I am making use of 3D Fevicryl outliner to make this zigzag pattern. If you are not comfortable with this 3D outliner, you can go for simple acrylic yellow color with 1 number brush. After giving 1 coat of varnish and making it dry for at least 4 to 5 hours, our complete look will be like this. Here I am measuring rope with the help of measurement tape up to 5 feet and mark it over there in order to cut the rope of size 10 feet. In this way, you will be having 2 rope of 10 feet each. Now, I am marking from the bottom each row at 1 feet, then 2 feet and then again 2 feet. Just see it carefully. That means total it will be 5 feet long. Now check it carefully. All the ropes will be marked at same level. Like from the bottom 1 feet, then 2 feet. And the end will be up to 2 feet. Now insert that rope through the hole like this, and in this way you will have your rope through the tray. Once it is inserted, then find the mark. Your first mark will be in the first feet. Then make a simple knot at the position of the mark like this. So it will hold the tray when you are putting a planter.
After making all 8 knots, your vertical garden utility will be looking like this. Now you need to take a jute thread and tie it around the end corners like this in order to make a loop for hanging purpose. You need to loose all the 4 ends of the vertical garden utility like this. It will give that a very good look. After this, place a nice planter on each container like this. If you want to know how to make such planter, I will provide you link in the description box. You can check it. Now here is a final look of our vertical garden utility. Thanks for watching.